Good evening, everyone. I hope you guys have had a blessed day today. I want to welcome you all to my channel, Success with Velvet. On this channel, you guys are just going to get videos that show you guys what I do to make money online and what you can do too as well. Now, in today's video, we're going to talk about Swagbucks. But before we get into that, I want you to like this video, share it, subscribe, tap on the notification bell so you can be notified when I upload a new video. Now, look what you guys see on the screen here. Spring into bonuses. Get a $5 bonus when you refer your friends and family this month. So this is just a limited time offer, you guys. But if you guys refer people to the site, if you're a member of Swagbucks and you have people that you'd like to refer, you will get a $5 bonus if they sign up under you. Now right here, remember I told you guys that sometimes they have a limited time bonus on the Swagbucks surveys. Well, they do. So, sorry about that. Let me go back. So let's go back here. So here we are. Now, limited time bonus Swagbucks. You can start now and it has a timer. Now, I had 578 points when I came on here, and now I have 632, and I'm about to withdraw and get a $5 PayPal gift card. But I wanted to come on here and let you guys know what they have going on Swagbucks right now, that you guys really should take advantage of these bonus Swagbucks surveys, because you can actually earn these points. Okay, you can actually earn these points. If I were you, I'd take advantage of that right now. It's a limited time. This pops up every now and again. It's not a daily thing, but you should still take advantage of the surveys, even though this is not always going to be here. You're not always going to have limited time bonus Swagbucks unless they're just doing a promotion or something. You can also do, submit a receipt and get 2 Swagbucks. And get points for that. You can get points for referring your friends, your daily goal. I earned my daily goal. And I basically just, like I said, I did the surveys. And, like there's a daily poll as well. You can do a daily poll. You get 1 point for that. So let me show you how it works. You just answer it and you get credited for it. So have you started your spring cleaning? Let's see. You just answer the question. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. My computer's not moving with. There it goes. Okay, so you earn 1 Swagbuck. For completing the daily poll, you earn a 1 Swagbuck. You see I had 632, now I have 633. So right now I can withdraw a $5 gift card to PayPal. And once again, I'm going to show you guys exactly where you go to do that at. Now, if you guys want to know what they have between 1 to 5 gift cards, you just click here where it says gift cards, $1 to $5, and you just click this. You just click 1 to 5 gift cards. It goes up to 100 and up. So if you guys are looking for gift cards between $1 to $5, you just click on the $1 to $5 gift cards. If you're looking for only 10, 15, 25, 50, $100 and up, you click on that. This is how you find your gift cards. Now, these are the gift cards that are between $1 to $5. Okay, so we have here a $5 Amazon gift card, a $3 or $1, and $5 PayPal. Okay, 500 points, 500 Swagbucks for $5 PayPal. And these are the ones for between $1 and $5 is what you have here, and they have, you can go to the next page and look up more gift cards here. So let's click on the ones that are $10. Let's see what they have under the $10 gift card. Well, this lists all the gift cards for $10. You have PayPal, you get 1,000 swag bucks, you get $10 to PayPal. You get 990 swag bucks, you get $10 Visa gift card. 1,000 swag bucks is Amazon. 1,000 swag bucks is Walmart, and so on and so forth. With the Visa gift cards right now, they're having a sale going on. So all you really have to do is get to 990 swag bucks. Okay? So these are all the gift cards that are in the $10 range. Now, let's go to the $15. The ones that says sale on it, that means you get 1% off the swag book price of it. So a $15 reward gift card is you get 1% off. Okay? So you'll only have to have 1,485 swag bucks. Okay? So these are all the gift cards that are $15 and up. They're $15. Okay? So you guys want to look, you want to come on here and look through these so you can find out what you would like to withdraw. But like I said, I stick between the 1 and 5. I will be cashing out a $10 PayPal gift card on my next redemption, and I will be showing you guys that. Today I'm going to be cashing out the $5, and I'm going to show you payment proof once I receive it and let you know how long it took for me to receive that. Okay? Now, if you guys are interested in signing up with Swagbucks, I will show you where you can go to do that at. Okay, so here we are on my website, where if you guys are interested in joining these other sites as well as Swagbucks, you can. I will leave the link to this. I will leave this link in the description below. If you guys are interested in joining Prize Rebel, I have a video here that explains what you can do on Prize Rebel. And here's the button below. You just click Join Prize Rebel here, and it'll take you to Prize Rebel, and you can sign up. Survey Junkie, I've made $90 with Survey Junkie. It's a survey site. You take surveys, you get disqualification points. I have a video here that talks about Survey Junkie, and you can join Survey Junkie by clicking the button here. Also, I have a video that I made on Branded Surveys. It's another survey company if you're interested in that one. The button's here. You can click here to join. InstaGC is a get paid to site. You can join here. Click the button here. And then down below here we have Swagbucks. I made a video, and then you can join Swagbucks after you watch the video. You can click on Join Swagbucks, okay? I will leave the link to this website below so you guys can browse through these videos at your own discretion. And I look forward to seeing each and every one of you on all of these sites: Prize Rebel, Survey Junkie, Branded Surveys, InstaGC, and Swagbucks. Mostly Swagbucks because Swagbucks is very fun. It's fun to work the site. It's really fun. Prize Rebel, I've been a part of Prize Rebel for a very long time. Also with Swagbucks, with Survey Junkie, I don't know if you guys know this, but if you signed up on or after September 16th, 2019, you will be able to redeem at $5 with Survey Junkie. So if you join Survey Junkie on September 16th, 2019, and after, you will be able to sign up for a $5. You will be able to create an account and redeem at $5. Now, I have created an account and I will be able to redeem at $5. But you can also, as of right now, create a Survey Junkie account and redeem at $5. If you're interested in getting $5, 500 points. That's only if you're interested. I just thought I'd throw that out there because a lot of you guys, $10 seems like a lot to get to for some people, but I made $90 with the site. I cashed out 9 times. It wasn't hard for me, but $5 may be easy for you guys to get to. So I'm going to leave the link to the site below so you guys can come on here, sign up whatever site on here you want to. Swagbucks is at the very bottom. Once you watch the video, you can then sign up with Swagbucks. Hope you guys like this video, and I'll see you guys in future videos. Don't forget to tap on the notification bell and subscribe so you guys can get notified when I post a new video. Take care.